Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in today's video we are going to review another very popular stock called as Tesla. In this video we are going to see what are the upcoming catalysts for Tesla stock, what is going to be the price target for the year 2025, and also what are some of the challenges that Tesla is currently facing. We're going to discuss all this in this particular video. So first, understand, what does Tesla do? Tesla is an American multinational automotive and clean energy company headquartered in Austin, Texas, which designs, manufactures, and sells battery electric vehicles, stationary battery energy storage devices from home to grid scale, solar panels and solar shingles, and related products and services. So they are not just an EV manufacturing company. They do produce solar panels, solar shingles, etc. for home as well as big organizations. Now let's take a look at how the stock has done over the last couple of years. So if I go over to the Tesla stock, currently it is trading at $246.09. And in the last 1 month, the stock has gained almost 40.62%. Now, what was the reason? The reason is because they had a very strong Q2 deliveries that led to this jump of 41% in the stock price. In the last 6 months, stock has only gained 4.62%. Year to date, the stock has gained only 0.03%. In last 1 year, the stock went down 12%, but over the last 5 years, the stock has gone up by almost 1500%. But this stock is currently below its 52-week high of, so 52-week high is approximately 299.29, which they haven't touched 300 yet. 52-week low is $138. PE ratio is 63.68. This is a high PE ratio, which makes it an expensive stock. Market cap is about $779 billion. So if you leave this 1 month, Tesla stock hasn't done very well in the last couple of quarters. Now, what are the upcoming catalysts for the Tesla stock? The number one catalyst is they are going to have their earnings release date on July 20th, 2024. Usually what happens is whenever there is earnings reported, the stock usually goes up and or low based on how the earnings number were. So if the earnings are going to be good, the stock is going to go higher. If the earnings are going to be bad, stock is going to go down. So that is what usually happens, and their earnings call is coming up in July 20th, 2024. The other catalyst we have is the Cybertruck deliveries. Cybertruck has done very well, and their deliveries have also increased in May of 2024. Tesla's highly awaited Cybertruck is another big factor to watch. In May 2024, Tesla delivered nearly 3,000 Cybertrucks, each costing over $100,000 on average. So if the delivery numbers are going to go higher, the stock price will also go high. But if there is an issue with these Cybertruck deliveries, it will take the price of the stock down. So Cybertruck numbers are another key factor to watch. The third important catalyst we have is the factories ramp up in Austin and Berlin. As you all know, Tesla has built their factories in Austin as well as in Berlin, Germany. And if these factories are ramped up, they can increase the production of their manufacturing of these cars at a faster rate, which will take the stock price higher. If there are any problems with these factories, it can also take the price of the stock down. So the other catalyst we have is ramping up of the factories in Berlin and Austin, Texas. The next catalyst we have is the full self-driving feature launch in China. So Tesla is going to launch its full service driving feature in China with the help of another very popular company called as Baidu's, bringing them closer to offering FSD in China. And if this FSD service gets launched in China, it is going to take the price of the stock higher because they can charge a subscription fee for this full self-driving feature. This is another catalyst, but it's not coming in the near future. It is a mid-term plan. So by the next year, this feature will get launched in China. So this is another catalyst for Tesla. The next catalyst we have is the reveal of robotaxi. Tesla is getting ready to show its self-driving car or robotaxi in the next few weeks. This is important because Tesla wants to be seen as a leading AI company, not just an electric car maker. Now, these are some of the catalysts. We have the earnings call that is coming up July 20th, 2024. Then we have Cybertruck deliveries number to increase, revamping of factories in Austin and Berlin. And then we have is the robotaxi reveal and FSD feature launch in China. So these are some of the catalysts that are there for Tesla stock, which can take the price of the Tesla higher. Let's take a look at what are some of the challenges that are there for Tesla. Now, the first important challenge is the regulatory developments. If the government changes policies around the electric cars or the clean energy, that can affect the price of the stock. Changes, positive decisions or incentives could increase the demand for Tesla cars, while negative changes could hurt it. So, regulatory changes also will affect the stock prices. The other challenge we have is the growing competition. The electric vehicle market is getting more competitive. Established car makers like Ford, General Motors, and also the new car makers like Lucid Motors, Rivian, etc., they are also into the same EV world. And if they come up with new products, it's going to affect the Tesla sales. So that is increased competition is another factor that can take the price of the stock down. Now let's understand what is going to be the price prediction. So according to analysts, raises the Tesla price target to $300 and it sees that $400 in 2025. So the Tesla price can hit $400 in 2025. If all these catalysts that we talked about are in alignment with Tesla, then it's going to raise the price of the Tesla stock and it could go all the way up to $400 in 2025. I personally have a lot of Tesla stocks and I believe in the future of Tesla, and I'm going to hold that stock for the next couple of years, and I do see a lot of upside coming up in the Tesla stock. So that's what my recommendation would be. But do let me know, what do you think about the Tesla stock? Do you think it's a buy, hold, or sell in the comment section? And if you like such kind of videos in the future, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos from this channel. I'm going to come up with another stock tomorrow, so stay tuned for that, and thank you very much. Bye bye.